Okay, boys and girls, so here's a little description of what's expected of you this week. So, I have uploaded in your Shobi for September 14th what the centers look like this week. So, one of the centers is a journal, IXL, word work, and sentence structure. IXL, like it states over here, is on the IXL app, but word work, sentence structure, and your information for your journal activity is all on Shobi for you. The only thing that you need, the only thing that you actually need is your pink journal for when you're going to be writing your information for your journals, okay? So I'll close that there. Now, so as well, extra time, if you do finish the activity in your center, off you go on to Raz Kids like we did last week. All right, so below here, it says below are the worksheets for your word work center. The first worksheet, you are to write the words in uppercase and lowercase. The second worksheet, you are to write each word in 3 different colors. And finally, the third worksheet, you are to write vowels and consonants in each word using different colors. Boys and girls, here are the words. Okay? There, use, an, each, which, she, do, how, there, if, will, up, other, about, out, any, them, then, these, so. You click on this worksheet, you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of the 20 words that are there to write in uppercase, and then another 10 to write them in lowercase. It's just a fun way of practicing how to write them. The second worksheet is spelling and color. So you write the words in one color, you write the words in another color, and you write the words again in a third color. You can choose pink, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, whatever you prefer, but you rewrite them in 3 different colors. And then finally, the third worksheet is writing out the words, but then making the vowels one color and the consonants another color. So remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So let's say you can make those the color blue, and then every other letter in that word can be green. Okay? So that's for this worksheet here. That's for the word workstation. Off we go to the sentence structure activities. So please complete each worksheet. There are 3 of them, boys and girls, 3 worksheets. First, you're to create 3 sentences with the words in the box. The second and third pages, you are to fill in the missing words based on the photo and also create your own super sentence. Remember to use capital letters at the beginning of the sentence and put punctuation. So this is what the first worksheet looks like. So the words are there for you, and you need to create 3 sentences using these words here. A hint, boys and girls, the ones with the punctuation at the end are the ones that are at the end of the sentence. Okay? The next worksheet. So who or what? It says complete the sentences with information from the picture. So you look at the picture and you have to complete the sentence. You look at the picture, you have to complete the sentence, look at the picture, complete the sentence. You create your own super sentence, and then you create a picture based on your sentence. And the same thing goes for this worksheet here. Okay? Finally, the last activity is your journal activity. Remember, boys and girls, that when you open up your pink journals, the first page that is not used, you write the date at the top. And this time, you're not writing center 1, you're writing center 2, because it's the second time we're doing centers, okay? And you have to pretend to be a mouse this week. You have to pretend to be a mouse, and you have to describe it using the 5 W's. Now, Miss Vitali was able to guide you a little bit better. So you have to create one sentence answering this question. Who are you? I'm a mouse. Another sentence, what activities do you do? I like to run around in garbage. When do you do these activities? I like to run around in garbage at nighttime. Where do you do these activities? I like to run in garbage next to people's homes. Why do you do these activities? Because I'm a hungry mouse. Okay, so that's an example for you. Remember, boys and girls, there are 5 W's, so that means that there are 5 sentences. So these are the activities for your center. Remember, iExcel has to be completed on the iExcel app, and RazKids has to be completed on the RazKids app. This is here for you. Your teacher is going to be putting a 30-minute timer on the board so that you can complete it. Remember, boys and girls, you can move around the classroom and work with partners, but you have to be proactive. That means that you do not waste time. Okay? Remember, iExcel on the app, RazKids on the app, WordWorks sentence structure finished directly on Shobi, and your question for your pink journal is on Shobi, but you have to write it in your pink journal. When you're finished, hand it back to your teacher. Good luck!